Charlie Cushane here to do a quick video on my faithful partner Chip. And Chip is a custom vacuum I made several years ago, actually 2016, and he's been working fantastic. And today is the day I need to empty the barrel, so let me show you how we're going to do that. Okay, Chip works fantastic, and the way it works is the vacuum gets sucked up here, goes around in the cyclone and into this big 10-gallon bucket. And let me show you how that works. Okay? And I'll put a little clip of it in use. But let me show you how I know it needs to be emptied, because I added a light to show it. Okay, if you follow Chip down, you go by the filter, through the cyclone. At the bottom of the cyclone, I added some LEDs, as you see. And those LEDs are to help me know when it's getting full. So let me show you how that looks from the outside. Okay, so as I'm using Chip and the light's on, look at the barrel. You see the line? This tells me it's pretty full. It's up to the handle. Yeah. So now it's time to empty it. Okay, to simply empty the barrel, you undo these clips on each side. It lowered the barrel right down. And slide it out. That is full. Okay, now to empty that barrel, I just get a 30-gallon trash bag, put it around, wrap it tight, so you see it's tight around the edge. All emptied. Perfect. And now we just put it back in, same way it came out. There we go. Get our hooks lined up. There's one. There's two. Perfect. Now you can see when it's empty, the entire barrel lights up. Very easy. I love working with Chip. So there you go. Chip, my personal assistant, cleans up all the messes and is very good at it, although he complains a lot.
I'm tired of doing all the dirty work.